I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Payoneer to Stripe, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into Payoneer. Start by logging into your Payoneer account. Make sure you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. Step 2. Navigate to Withdraw. Once logged in, go to the Withdraw section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select Transfer Method. Choose the method you want to use for the transfer. If you want to send money to your bank account linked to Stripe, select that option. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Input the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the bank account details. Double check to avoid any errors, as incorrect information can delay the transfer. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details and hit the submit button to finalize the transfer. You should receive a confirmation email once the transfer is processed. Remember, it might take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Stripe account after the transfer is completed. If you run into any issues, checking the transaction history in both accounts can help clarify where the funds are. Happy transferring!